Hello, welcome. In this video, I want to show you the simplest way to start learning Excel VBA. We are going to create a small button, and when we click it, Excel will show us a message. Don't worry if you have never used the VBA before. This is the perfect starting point. I'm starting with a new Excel file. I rename Sheet 1 to Welcome. This is a small habit, but in real Excel systems, naming things clearly is very important. Now, to write VBA code, we need to open the VBA Editor. I will use a shortcut. I will press Alt plus F11 on the keyboard. This window you see is where Excel programs are written. Then, inside the VBA Editor, I will click Insert, then Module. A module is simply a place where we write commands that Excel can run. Now let me write our first VBA program. Read slowly as you type. We start with sub, say hello. Sub means we are starting a small program. Say hello is just the name. You can name it anything. On the next line, I write message box, message box, which means show a message. Inside the quotes, I will type the message I want Excel to display. Finally, I write end sub. But most of the time when you hit enter, the end sub comes automatically, which means the program ends here. End sub means the program ends here. So this small code tells Excel when this program runs, show this message. Before we continue, we must save the file correctly. I'll go to save, and here I will choose Excel Macro-Enabled Workbook. This is important because normal Excel files cannot store VBA code, except this one, Excel Macro-Enabled Workbook. Now let's go back to Excel. I'll open the Developer tab. If you don't see it, you can enable it from Excel options. I will click Insert, then choose Button. I'll draw the button on the sheet. Then Excel is asking which program this button should run. I will select, say hello, then click OK. Let me change the button text to click me. And then when I click, things happens. Now, the exciting part, I will click the button, you can see the message, welcome to Excel VBA. That means our program is working. This may look simple, but this is exactly how real Excel systems start. Buttons, logic, and actions. If you understand this step, you are already on the path to building Excel applications. In the next lessons, we will make Excel react to numbers, validate data, and prevent mistakes. If this video helped you, like and subscribe. In this channel, I share practical Excel and VBA lessons used in real businesses. See you in the next video.